at that going on. No cellulites. Surfboard. No cellulites, nothing like that. Look at that. No cellulites. Is that good? I have fats though, but no cellulites, nothing like that. That somebody said to me, or I think last time is like I'm eating chicken. I said, I like chickens. Like, oh, that's why, because you had chicken legs. Yes, I had chicken legs, but it's a yummy chicken legs. It's a yummy chicken yeah, it's a good chicken legs. It's a strong chicken legs. Surfboard. No pants this time. I know, right? I'm at home. I'm actually, it's because I am here on live. I just just think about it if I'm not on live. So hold on to it. Hold on, I'll be back. Just think about it if I didn't have any. Manico! Just think about it. Oh my God, this one got stuck. When I'm not on live, I'm not in camera. So. So this rainbow light high potency woman's one daily vitamin. So let's check this out. Hi Steven, hello. You guys, if you haven't given me a heart, just or maybe a rose. Promotes the whole body. It's 150 day supply. That's the actual size. So yes, I am. Okay, I forgot to show it to you. So it's 150 day supply. Promotes a whole body health, support immune health, and they have ashwagandha. Oh, that one, ashwagandha. That's what I like. Lutein and probiotics. So I am liking this thing, you guys. So especially for